say now when you're impressed with Podium now who airport honum say no. Na ayeden. Into man na mo antwetwe ni ya na aseden.
Na nyefe.
Oh. Na nyefe sesen.
Ayi ade no mo ye no. Enko so mo ma omo ye yenua ye menka abusuafo ya yenua onya ne ba bi ko Christian acho mo ye ne we no. Na e feche mo ye we no. Vice President ne dia na ba. We no mo ye na nyefe. Wo hwa ase o say we kura se no mo abosom dan ketwa bi. O so mo tumi ye bosom dan bi sa village square bi sa no. We no mo ye no wo hwa enta me throw Facebook say e just to be village square. Enyefe ayi me wusa na nkrofo ka se minua am so no nkrofo target minua no bi omo provide a stage no dade no omo ya de pa event factory omo de omo be ma correct but omo ye deco no na enyefe ade enyefe de enyefe away na we ne bo no is come de beto ade we so Sawe so mo ko firi ntoma no wo nwiro se de we na wonim issue no mo hwe Champions League omo ball ni wie ya na ahyehyɛ ade we bi wo ho park no so ho bi omo ball na for presentation omo tumi ade na omo be hyehyɛ wo ho no hwe over the years is so beautiful Super Bowl final final half time shows I no friend no wo be hwe half time show no almost to me turn the whole field no body was into a very beautiful way. But Sadia no ye America no halftime show no mo ye na omo ye sa podium prefer na omo to me omo ye music concert na omo see stage within some few minutes no my ye no. Be sure say to my we no board nchen ho de no. We wo be kwa ko bisa no board no na de we. Enye fe. O cha say anyway omo me sure some the be 3 days this year so be 15 minutes 10 minutes stadium ni aye ade kama ye gina so de we enti ade en ye fe de e bia no pese omo ye Ghana ma tese nkofo ka se America for enya America for na twentoma we de sensen ho enya America for e bia America for se munye ni se ba ntoma we na Kente me fra ba Ghana man ko fe chen we
inse ntoma na enye fe na se
ade ni na wuto we ade wu se enye fe na ade no the reason why nti akoba se ni se hwe ma asem koma min kama nyamo ya afi na maka ayi unu kokonsa be dey no unu say de kona ye na efe chan ade we
na do me
no me kan ayi friend say mo ya ade a ma ko draw ade we say why na ka chiro almost say the US for no na almost say omo pen and ade mo ye na efe an ko meka say omo mpe ade
ni Kente and your representation with the say Kente is that not a Kente material and yes I but still is
written na head record mu bi say efa me de enye fe
baby ba say record witness no papa we oye adwuma wo commission on culture
omo amfre no nka bi o the input bi beba ma de na ye fe
me ba sure A+ answer o question am wana o say amfre o
say o no me na ka
ade na dey make
me say obi say
baby say no ade na ye no me pa sure na wo hu nimde bia na ye invite wa na were you part of the planning we no yes say enye fe but nkofo so say promote Ghana
well na me ni hobby ya frame but me nso me hu wo social media senia obia e kan no e ho me hu no na fortunately no minya obi ti say event factory the guy, what's the name? Nabil. Obi post 2 years. Any Nabil e babe chire bibi mu.
Me post
kakra. Una post 2 years. Oh okay. Me say me kind sorry. Thank you say. Watch say una post 2 years. Yes. Una post 2 years yeah. Any Nabil e another picture e buy. No chire say ono na oye the original setup no. Without adini sisro no. That was the original design. It's different from this. Meaning say omu was a picture na omu beti media to so. Okay. Inti no wasi omu wie ye no. Na even omu be hoover so na si bibi krampo sa clean ho. Any Americans ne buy omu security ne buy say no omu nya bibia. Inti everybody has to step aside and omudi machines bi besisi ho nti saa de na na sisuro no omudi kata machines na esisi ho no for security or whatever, I don't know. From what Nabil wrote and Whitney, if I'm right, you can or say omudi machines the besisi ho nti na so munya bibi di kata machines na esisi ho no ho na just say impromptu no mo pay bibi the hata machines no nti behind the thing no your machines na nyina no they don't have a hand in it. It's the Americans who did their own thing.
It's Americans and they didn't manufacture.
Yes, almost for far who yeah no
Americans and they didn't manufacture.
According to me reading on witness also wow sorry
and the witness who now your witness the Patriot Americans and they didn't manufacture Podium no.
When was that? Tuesday was a Monday no.
Yeah.
And picture ne bar out. Picture ne bar out no. Me who ye no. I felt sad. Na eye me areho because one enye proper Kente po na na ese ho. I mean, if you know Kente, unim Kente mo. Kente over the past 1 month ma sheshe wo ha no. That wasn't the same Kente. That was what I was one of the things I was not happy about. Say, if you're going to do a true representation of yeah, let us go all out.
That's
yes,
the
original picture.
Yeah, this
is the original work they did. And when the crown, I said, say, Anka, into my next essay when you high target, and you Kente. Enti Anka, yeah, they. Oh, but it's true. It is not Kente. It is not proper Kente. Enti Anka, yeah, they Kente best saying what to represent yeah. Anka, I thought say, enye original. 2, there was even as an events person, as a decor person, I thought say Anka stage, with the red carpet and the flag snipper was enough. Because still no, there's a Ghana flag, there are Ghana flags and then the American flags. It represents Ghana enough. Kente ni yusu na amana ye bebre. Ansa machines ni be see ho and then ohwe podium nensa ho nyina crazy ho a ya sign the Kente na chechrea throughout, and I can understand say metals into say ye chechere ho na metals ni show, but ohwe the second machines na so create obe explain him into me post say no nkofo started commenting and na bill ebe tro wa sese o yenti ase a yembisa.
Okay.
Into me bisa na say why, because that is not yenim event factory ejuma, and that didn't look like a Juma event factory ebeye, and also you omo ye stage no, but nkofo ni bedu ye no almost say omo the machines sisi so, but machines na ye be and omo pamo omo fi place ho into omo and omo de Kente na say ho. But even if omo and omo de Kente na say ho, I thought say if we were still going to push the Kente agenda, anka yensen use the same Kente. Because already in the way you be they are saying use another one, and also very clustered. Into a stage in Ankasano, the beauty of the stage in Ibiu. But or explain it, share say mopping, hoovering, cry, more hoover stage, so as soon as omo unko for nebedu hono, ye pamo mona de na ninti nyaye hono, we cannot even blame them no. I thought say well, at the end of the day no, nipa no obana, then call for no, we no mope no maye. But then on the other hand, and so no, Anna say omuko manka omobeye BBC. It looks like a doing so take whatever we are giving you and just be content with that. And I thought say that wasn't like a true representation of Yang. But if the client is happy, who am I to complain? Clients na say we na me pay. And I'm assigning the BB for Frabeka ho. Eye mufo, enye mufo. Me na no na media ye ejuma. Ene na ebe call. In fact, fortunately, in the picture is a call of Kamala. Nenye stage anything. Because first pictures a hit even shade room crown and that was just her face any flags no inti client ne happy that is what the client wants oma deliver more inti
but question